On Feather Farm, every chicken clucked like they were born to do it. But not Pippa. She didn't cluck, she hiccuped. And what came out of that tiny beak wasn't just a squeak, it was magic. This is the story of the little chicken who couldn't cluck, but hiccuped her way into a world of wonders. On a sunny morning at Feather Farm, all the chickens were clucking happily, except for little Pippa. Every time she tried to cluck, "Heek!" a tiny squeaky hiccup popped out instead. The other chickens giggled.
"She can't even cluck,"
they said. So Pippa went to practice by herself, behind the old barn by the crooked oak tree. Heek! Suddenly her hiccup echoed, and something behind the tree clicked. A sparkling doorway shimmered open. Pippa blinked.
Did I do that?
Inside was a world of floating clouds, flying books, and dancing ducks in top hats. A floating feather said, "Only chickens with hiccup magic can enter." Pippa laughed and hiccuped again. Pop! Another magical door appeared. She visited the land of rainbow worms, the upside-down forest, and a marshmallow mountain. Back at the farm, the chickens were still clucking, until Pippa returned through a magical door. Now they didn't giggle, they cheered.
Our Pippa is a hiccup hero.
And every night, Pippa hiccuped open a new door and invited her friends to dream with her.